After my husband tried the salt trick, I let him come in through the back door, and it was amazing. My plumber was over 60, but he left me with limp legs for 2 hours after doing that dirty trick you taught me. That's what my friend told me. Can you believe it? Don't drink salt water before bed unless you want to stay hard all night, and make your wife spray it like a fire hydrant. Yes, salt. Discovered by Harvard scientists, this 15-second trick has been proven to increase blood flow to the little guy by 342% in over 100,000 men. Forget pills, gel, and pumps that only cause embarrassment. This salt trick is natural, easy, discreet, and helps any man be ready whenever needed, as hard as a rock. Your only task will be to use this trick for just 15 seconds in the bathroom and watch the magic happen. It might sound strange, but I'm sure your wife or girlfriend will thank you for this. So, pay attention. Go to the kitchen and grab some salt. Here's the secret. Adult film stars have been using this trick for years. That's why they're always ready for 2, 3, or even 4 shoots in a row, and now you can too. It doesn't matter if you're 25 or over 60, the famous morning wood will be inevitable. Want to know how it works? I'll show you how to do it the right way. I'll be straight with you. The famous salt trick and other natural methods might work, but they're complicated and hard to get right. That's why they created a much simpler and more powerful solution, Nitrox Pro. Unlike homemade remedies that require preparation, Nitrox Pro is ready to use and designed to increase blood flow quickly and effectively, delivering real results. If you're tired of trying complicated methods with no success, this could be the best decision of your life. But hurry, stock is running out fast, and we don't know how long this offer will last. Click the first link in the description now and secure yours before it's too late.